scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the maximum value in an array of objects is a classic Java challenge. Let's quickly solve this loop problem together and find the answer. The enhanced for loop already assigns each element in the array to the variable b. This means we do not need to use an index or the array name inside the loop. Since the pages variable is private, we cannot access it directly from outside the class. We must use the public getPages method to retrieve the value for our comparison logic. Option B correctly uses the getter method on object B. This follows encapsulation rules and updates the max pages variable during each iteration. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for B.